here's a fun little activity. Get a balloon, get a long skewer, and we are gonna poke it right through the balloon without popping it. But the key here is to go through where the nozzle is and then go through the very tippy top where the darkest spot is in that little bump. And so I recommend starting at the bottom and just try and poke it through. You might need to twist it around a little bit. There we go. And the skewer's right now inside the balloon. I'm just trying to feel where that top is and get it to line up with the edge right there. So you can start to see it kind of poking out a little bit. Just push it through. You might need to twist it a little bit. And boom! Skewer through the balloon. Have fun. But if you pull it out, actually, it'll start to deflate, but it won't pop. So have fun.